Hello everyone and welcome to video 2 out of my 3-video series about percentages. If you haven't seen the first one, I do recommend you go watch it before proceeding. There's a link below in the description. In the first video, we saw how to express any fraction as a percentage. But what if we want to do the opposite? Maybe we want to find the number that the percentage actually represents. Now I have a cool trick on how to do exactly that. Say we have a puzzle with 100 pieces and 60% of them are yellow. How many are yellow? So how exactly do we find that? Well, remember that the percentage is nothing but a fraction. So how do we calculate the fraction of any number? We multiply the number with that fraction. So to solve this, we have to multiply the percentage, 60/100, to the number of pieces we have, 100. Again, I'm going to make that a fraction. So this would be 6,000 over 100, which is 60, over 1, which is 60, right? Although you could have figured this out without doing any math, because 60% of 100 is 60. But anyway, 60 yellow pieces in the puzzle. Now, let's do the same thing, but a bit harder this time. Say we have a puzzle with 500 pieces, and we want to know how many are yellow. We know that 70% of them are yellow, and also say that your favorite color is yellow. So you really want to know the number of pieces that are yellow. Let's figure it out. First, we need to write the percentage in the form of a fraction. 70/100. Then we need to multiply that, the number of pieces we have, again in fraction form, which is 35 and 3 zeros. So 35,000 over 100, which is 350. So there are 350 yellow pieces in the puzzle. I think you should buy that if your favorite color is yellow, actually. Anyway, let's do the same thing, but even harder this time. Say that the product is on sale at 25% off, say, and it originally costs 50 currencies. I don't know, say dollars, euros, it doesn't really matter. How much does it cost now? Here, not only do we have to find how much 25% of 50 is, but we also have to subtract that from 50 to find the answer to the question. So how exactly do we do that? First, we multiply the percentage to our number, right? 25 over 100. We're always doing this in fraction form. Times 50 over 1. So we multiply our percentage to our number, which would be, which would be 1,250 over 100, which is also 125 over 10. So now we have to put a decimal. Oh no. So it's 12.5. So we subtract 12.5 from 50, right? 50 minus 12.5, which is 37.5. Now their product costs 37.5 currencies. I'm gonna say again, it doesn't really matter. That's how much the product costs now. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I do have a Discord server linked in the description. And please do like and subscribe if you could. Smiley face. Bye!